If you are looking for a way to start your own online business and make money online, so you are in the right place. In this video, I'll show you a golden opportunity for who are trying to build a regular income source. You can build a profitable six-figure, no prior skill needed. So, watch the video all through, check the description box for amazing making money hacks. If you are new here, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell to follow for more. Now, let's start. Out of 550,000 new business every month, 90% of businesses embrace content marketing for their growth. However, even after so much effort and investing time and money in copywriting, business owners do not get the desired results. This opens the door to the $413 billion content marketing industry. And it's a huge opportunity for freelance copywriters and newbies who are trying to build a regular income source. You can build a profitable six-figure agency by just serving one client a day. And it's not a one-time income. You can do this for life and charge your new as well as existing clients for your services again and again forever. Freelance copywriters on Fiverr, freelancers, etc. are making 5 to 6 figures income by helping businesses with their content. But writing high-converting, engaging, fresh, and SEO-friendly copy is not an easy task at all. Especially when you have no copywriting skills and experience. It requires a deep understanding of marketing, a need to understand your audience, and a time-consuming process. Don't worry, I've got it down to disruptive AI technology that will change the game forever. AI-based content creator that smartly creates any type of content for any local or online niche with just a click of a button, without prior skill or monthly fee ever. You simply sit back and relax. WriterArc will create top converting content for you. Create stunning content just by using a keyword. No prior skill needed, no monthly fee ever. WriterArc is preloaded with 50+ copywriting templates, like ads, video scripts, website content, and much more. An AI writing assistant that helps you create high-quality content in just a few seconds. Choose from 30+ languages. 100% cloud-based software so you can access it from any place in the world. Fast, responsive, and 100% mobile-friendly to work seamlessly with any device. Download all your projects in PDF and Word formats. 100% newbie-friendly, need no prior skills, no installation, and no tech hassles. Free commercial license, so you can sell service to local clients for big profits. WriterArc will accomplish all the marketing content needs in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Choose from 35+ use cases, 22+ tones, and languages for which you want to create content. Step 2. Enter keywords to create relative and effective content. Step 3. WriterArc will automatically create professional, fresh, and 100% plagiarism-free content for your need in just a few seconds. Watch WriterArc in action. Check the link below in the description now. Hurry! Limited time only. No monthly fees forever. Thank you for watching till the end. I hope this video has helped you in some way. If you found it valuable, give me a big thumbs up, and it will be great if you leave a comment saying, "I like it." Don't forget to check the description box for amazing money-making hacks. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to follow for more.